Hi, I'm Clay Carlino, and I don't know if this is going to work, but we're going to find out. I've had this reoccurring problem with my truck. It rains, and then it freezes, and I can't open the door. You can see that the seal is bad here. So I think what's happening is water is getting in here, and then every surface where the door contacts the body of the truck, it's just freezing together. And yesterday I had to pry it open with a piece of wood, and it took me a long time. So we're going to try something here to stop that from happening and see if it works. I'm going to take a little bit of lithium grease, and I'm just going to put this around this edge. Now, I realize that this means that I have to be careful getting in and out of the truck because now I've got grease around the edge, but at least I'll be able to get into the truck. And now, let's kind of rub this in with this paper towel because I don't want it all gloopy. You know, I just want a nice thin layer rubbed into the seal so that it'll help prevent water from getting in there. Alright, next shot will be as soon as we have some freezing weather, and we'll find out if my door opens. Alright, it's been a couple days, and we had perfect test conditions where last night and all day yesterday it was raining, and then today while I was at work the temperature just plummeted down to about 16 degrees, and I came out and I got to check my door and it was once again frozen shut. So either A, that means that my idea about using grease doesn't work at all, or B, I missed the parts that are sticking together. Here's my thought. Last time I put the grease in here, I did not get this surface and this edge around here, and it really kind of looks like right on this edge, that's where it freezes, and maybe even along the top in here. So I'm going to add grease to those areas, and we're going to see if this works any better. Okay, so here we go. Maybe get some grease along this edge here. Grease right along here. And you know, I'm still seeing water in here, which doesn't fill me with much confidence, so I'm going to add a little bit more grease there. I'm going to get this bottom edge here. As I did before, I'm going to rub off the excess, kind of work it in. We will see if that fixes the problem. Fingers crossed. Alright, it is really cold, as you can see by the ice, and you can see my breath too when I... So, there you go. I just came out to the truck this morning, and there you go. Truth is, that's a little bit of a cheat. I came out here just a second ago, and I unlocked the truck, and I opened the door, and had no problems whatsoever. You know, you could hear it making sticky noises, but everything opened, which is fantastic because I know from experience that on a morning like this door would not have been so easy to open. There you go. Seeing that you do not have to be afraid to fix the problem if your doors are freezing. This is Carlino telling you to be brave.